What's up guys, you're watching the Show, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error CE-34305-5 failed to read information from the HDD. So it's the HDD drive error, a storage error. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we are at the screen. Let's go to the settings here first and then go to the storage. If your storage, look at that here, you just devices check the USB storage. If your USB storage is not working, you just format it here from here. And if you're on HDD, your not the external, internal is not working. Mine is working, that's why it's open it. If yours is not working, your PlayStation not be start maybe. So you just open your PlayStation 4 and just plug out your HDD and plug in. Sometime your wire is not working, so that's why. And after that, it will be work. And if is it not working, then you must change your HDD. You just must buy a new one and put it back your PlayStation 4 and it will be fixed. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.